What is up everybody? I hope you're doing okay. In today's video, I'm going to talk about types of jobs and occupations. आज के वीडियो में आप लोग वो सारे वर्ड्स देखेंगे जो हम जॉब्स या ऑक्यूपेशंस के लिए यूज करते हैं और इन वर्ड्स के साथ आप अपने वोकेबलरी को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं एंड यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कन्वर्सेशंस वेयर कैरियर्स आर बीइंग डिस्कस्ड. So let's get straight into it. Welcome back. This video is made for a beginner level. So let's begin with the words. Word number first is waiter, waiter, paramedic, paramedic, dentist, dentist, train conductor, train conductor, nurse, nurse, electrician, electrician, doctor, doctor, businessman, businessman, cricket player, cricket player, student, student, surgeon, surgeon, doorman, doorman, secretary, secretary, soldier, soldier, repairman, repairman, scientist, scientist, reporter, reporter, construction worker, construction worker, professor, professor, police officer, police officer, postman, postman, photographer, photographer, pilot, pilot, painter, painter, mechanic, mechanic, magician, magician, lifeguard, lifeguard, clown, clown, housekeeper, housekeeper, gardener, gardener, footballer, footballer, forest ranger, forest ranger, builder, builder, foreman, foreman, farmer, farmer, flight attendant, flight attendant, fireman, fireman, engineer, engineer, architect, architect, carpenter, carpenter, boxer, boxer, cameraman, cameraman, detective, detective, journalist, journalist, housewife, housewife, diver, diver, pop, pop, priest, priest, salesman, salesman, librarian, librarian, singer, singer, mad, mad, accountant, accountant, manager, manager, goldsmith, goldsmith, blacksmith, blacksmith, locksmith, locksmith, lawyer, lawyer, teacher, teacher, plumber, plumber, banker, banker, cook, cook, miner, miner, entrepreneur, entrepreneur, veterinarian, veterinarian, baker, baker, astronaut, astronaut, butcher, butcher, receptionist, receptionist, pharmacist, pharmacist, taxi driver, taxi driver, delivery man, delivery man, street vendor, street vendor, cashier, cashier, and judge, judge. So that is all for today, and tell me in the comment sections what is your favorite occupations or job, and I will see you soon. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.